What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to install a intake on the F150. So Flashark sent us a whole kit for an intake. So we're gonna just check this. Let me just take this out of the box and see what it looks like. All right, so this is what we got. We got a metal coupling, rubber. This kind of goes with the box itself here. 2 clamps, like hose clamps. Some stripping here, some weather trim rubber, and the actual filter itself. I went ahead and left this in here just to keep it clean. This is a dry filter, so there's no oils or anything gets put on. It's 100% dry. All right, so this is pretty self-explanatory. There is 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4 on here. Looks like this goes with this. I don't know if it goes this way or this way. We'll figure this out in just a bit. Oh yeah, it has to go this way. Right? And then there's also 4 screws, bolts, and washers. There's 1 extra washer actually, but that's okay. Usually there's 1 extra something. Alright, so let's put this thing together first. Let's try it like this. Let me do the other side also now. Alright, so this is the Allen wrench number 4. Fits perfect. And 8mm. Easiest way to do this is hold the bottom with the Allen wrench and then use the power tool. Alright, so this should clamp in like that. This guy goes up here. That's for sure. Let's put this right here. You can see there's a little metal piece in there. We'll see how that fits. Looks like that. Okay. It's probably a 1/4, but a 7mm works also. Where that is snug. Maybe keep this out of the way, like out, down. See how that fits. Let's do this first. Okay, let's try this on the truck. Alright, so this is the intake here. The air filter's in here. It might be a little warm still, but so my understanding is this whole thing comes out. Just this part here, really. Just this part. And you're replacing, well, maybe this with this. You're replacing the whole new setup here. And the way that it's set up, it should hug this area here to keep it nice and tight. So you're still using this as the main intake to go in there, but it also might grab some air from somewhere else. All right, so let's take this apart, see what this looks like. That's a brand new. That looks brand new. Look at that. Let's take this guy apart. All right, so we're gonna remove this guy here, 7mm or 1/4 it should be. Oh, you did that, yeah? The rest one was not. Okay, you have to play with it a little bit, but it does go in there, right? So grab this guy now. All right, let's see how that goes. All right, so these nice and tight inside. This is nice and snug. On the back side, this is where the teeth go, right? And then over here, you got to make sure this latch is all the way in and this one is all the way in, right? This is nice and tight, this is tight, and this is tight, right? So the idea is that this restricts less than a regular filter. You can probably hear the whistle a little bit more also from the turbo, but all right, I'm gonna close this and see how well this thing fits in here. You can see it there. All right, so some people say you could hear the intake more. So some people say you can hear the difference. I don't really hear it. I do. Maybe, I mean, maybe it's a little, but it's not so much. Let me do that again. All right. Anyways, we'll see how it performs. Let's leave it on for a few days. See if it sounds any different. If it does any better. I mean, it does. It's supposed to get more air into the engine, which should be more efficient. So let me take a second to show you where to get these. If you want one just like this, where to get it and what it costs. Okay, so this is Flashark.com. This is where I got the intake from. They have intakes, they have cat bags, they have EGR deletes, and they have all kinds of stuff in here. This is the exact color intake I got. Comes with everything, good prices, sounds great. Anyways, thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out some of the videos that I have too. Deuce.